Eureka! I made it to Eureka. Now I have about 6 miles to go to my campground. Then tomorrow morning I'm gonna head to the Redwoods. It's so cold here. It's 58 only. I'm riding the Redwood Highway from Eureka to Crescent City, I think. Campground. I was already thinking, where's the campground here? It doesn't look like campground, but now I see it. Alright, that's good. That's the campground here. So it's already 6:30 p.m. I don't think anybody's here, but who knows, maybe. Let's see. I have arrived. Welcome members. Okay, how is up? It's actually a nice place. Alright, I made it. That's my campsite. It's nice. Okay, I made it. I'm glad I'm here. Now I'm gonna put the tent up and settling in. It's a nice park actually. Really cool. Alright. I'm setting up my tent and right now pumping my air methods. That's how I'm gonna sleep. It's a nice site, I like it. Really nice campsite. I have water here, no electric, but if I need to I can. So I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm actually full because it took 7 hours to get here. And we had a lunch stop and I went to Chipotle and ate so much. I'm so full already. And tomorrow morning I'm starting my Redwood bike tour. Heading to the Redwoods. It's gonna be awesome. Alright? Have a good night everyone and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. I'm starting my day. I'm here in Eureka. And yeah, it's nice here. Temperature is upper 50s, it's perfect. And I slept well. Today's supposed to be cloudy, but maybe not that much. I'm heading out from the Redwood cabins and what is it, campground? And I'm gonna start riding. I'm gonna have about 90 miles to go. But today I'm doing about half of it. So I'm heading to the elk campground. I don't have a reservation there, but they do have the biker campsites. First come, first served campsites. I'm riding the 101 Redwood Highway. It is a busy highway, but I do have a wide bike lane. Look at that, Alpha Road. Redwood National Park, 29 miles. Alright, I still have ways to go. 29 miles to Redwood National Park. Right, that's the bay, right by the water. But Civic Ocean. Yeah, I'm right by the ocean. It's a nice downhill. There is still some traffic, but not that much anymore, like before. Less traffic as I get closer to the Redwoods. Redwood National Park. I'm climbing! Whew. Oh, I took my windbreaker off because it got too hot. But that's a climbing. Now I'm going down. Let's see. Food. I'm not really hungry yet, but just gonna go to town. There's the gas station. I guess I'm gonna just stop here. Actually, there's a big store. I'm gonna go there instead. Murphy. Okay, let's go and check it out. Alright, I got the burger or biscuit. And then Arizona. That's what I'm gonna eat. And then I'm gonna see if I can copy from somewhere. Just gonna sit down here and eat. 101 Redwood Highway. So the plan is to camp at Elk Prairie Campground, which is about 25 miles away. Not far. As soon as I get to the Redwoods. There's a rest area, I'm gonna just go by. Just to see it. I have plenty of time. Here you go, I see already lots of redwood. So cool. Yeah. Wow. There's a huge redwood right here. Yeah, I think we are reaching the redwoods. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm not gonna even stop here. Summit State Park. I actually made a reservation at park campground, but then I cancelled it because there is no point to camp so early. You see the redwoods all around. That's a big one. Oh, there are some big ones. Yeah, that's just the beginning. Share the road. I have the same right to ride here than cars. I had long ride down. I was going like 33 miles an hour for miles. It's beautiful here, and I'm about to enter the Redwoods, Redwood National Park. I think it's coming up soon. I'm gonna start going down now. I was climbing, and it shows 6%. Starting to go down. Humboldt Lagoon State Park. Okay, Redwood National Park. Starts from here. Here you go. Okay, there's a little settlement here. Market. I'm gonna stop here. See? Food store. Very good. It's good to take a break before the redwoods. Alright. Good stuff. I'm so full. Made french fries and coffee. And now it's time to head to my campground. I think it's coming up in maybe in 5 miles or so. So not much. This town has painted bike lanes. Can't believe it. middle of nowhere. Yeah, okay, they have the portable. I'm gonna use that. So now I'm gonna turn on the bike trail. I'm going to Davidson Trail. So this one should take me to the Davidson Trail. Yeah, that's where it starts. Davidson Trail. And this one takes me to the Elk Prairie Campground. Yeah, alright. Now I'm in the Redwoods. Wow. Redwood National Park. And this one is the beginning of Davidson Trail, which takes me to Elk Prairie Campground. Yeah. I guess that's the connection. Yeah. Wow. So cool. On your left. Hi.
Hi.
This one is actually paved. Nice. It's still the Davidson Trail, but there's a road. Okay, I have actually 3 miles to go. Using this trail, it takes forever. Woo. Going up. Redwood National Park. Yeah. Some kind of bridge over the creek. Ooh, someone lives here. Can you imagine to live in this place? It's gorgeous. It's a creek. All around you have redwoods. Yeah, beautiful. The interesting thing about redwoods is that they grow in clumps, maybe 6-7 trees together. I learned that when I visited Muir Woods near San Francisco. But yeah, it's pretty cool. That's all old growth, like 500-600 years old at least. Look at this humongous stump. Wow, I can only imagine how old this tree is. Oh, man, that's cool. Yeah, so cool. It's like 1,000 years old. One is there. Some of them are humongous, like that one over there. This one is like, I don't know, at least 1,000 years old. There you go, cake. So I'm gonna take this road. This should take me to the Elk Prairie Campground. Yeah. Wow. I'm riding the Elk Prairie Trail. And this one takes me to the Elk Prairie Campground. I believe that's the one. Yes, I came from there.
Yeah, you go up to the entrance station. You're almost up there.
Uh-huh.
Go around the corner. There's a little kiosk entrance station.
Okay.
And give them your $5 and your
Okay.
name and all that.
Perfect. And they have bears in the area too. And look at this guy. Keep it crumb clean. You don't want to attract them. So I guess I'm gonna put the tent down here right underneath of this tree. Too bad it's not a redwood, but that's fine. Nice. I see you. What's going on, huh? Hey, chipmunk. Oh, that's a squirrel. What's going on? Yeah. Yeah. It's a little squirrel. You're loud. That's a squirrel, tiny squirrel. What do you got? Oh, cool. Very, very trash right there. Yeah. There it is. Very trash. New live bird. I still have so many western birds to pick up. The common ones. Common here. Do you hear the red crossbills? There's somewhere there. They can't get close enough. Maybe they do have some kind of trail back there. I have to see. Just gonna walk around and see what I can see. Yeah, nice. Look at all those campsites. Everything is reserved. Nice secluded campsites. Beautiful. Really nice. Wow, this is so nice. Yeah. They have a creek. Beautiful. They do have some massive redwoods here. Wow, it's a beautiful campground. Look at that. Oh, nice. Look at this. Beautiful creek. So nice, so beautiful. And temperature is just perfect. It's like in low 60s. This is nice, very pretty. Oh, they have old paint. Oh, I guess I could cut out from here, but I'm just gonna walk the trail and see where it goes. All right, Davidson Trail, Campground. That's how it goes. So I'm wondering when the elks are coming out. Ooh, is that the elk? That's a deer. That's not the elk. It's too small. Yeah, deer is looking at me. I don't think it's elk. I see. Big ears. Look how far it is. He's hiding somewhere here. Hey, come out, wherever you are. I saw you. This place is called Elk Prairie. There's a Elk Prairie campground. So if it's called Elk Prairie, they're supposed to have elks. So I just have to wait and see. I'm pretty sure I can eat those too. This is not ready yet. It's good. Yummy. Look. If it's not ripe, it's not good. Talked to the people here, and someone said that there was a baby bear. There's a baby bear, there's a mama bear. So we'll see. Maybe it's gonna show up tonight. But I'm not concerned. I grew up with bears. We had the bears in the woods. I grew up in a farm. I've seen tons of them. So I haven't seen elks yet. No elks yet, and ranger said that not every day they show up. So they might not show up today. Might be here tomorrow morning. You never know. Huge redwood. Look at that. I think these are sequoias. They're humongous. Whoa. And there's another one here. Yeah. Look at that. Those are huge. But this one is the biggest one. Yeah, it must be a sequoia. But look at that stump. Man. It's huge. I believe this one is a sequoia. Huge. There are 3 of them here. Yeah. Yeah, these are redwoods. But those 3 or 4 of them were sequoias. Sequoias are even bigger. Anyway, it's a beautiful campground. Elk Prairie campground. Tomorrow night I'm gonna camp again. I'm gonna camp about 35 miles from here. So tomorrow's gonna be a short day, but I have 2 huge climbs. So we'll see. Good morning. Such a nice morning. I just had a breakfast, checking out the birds. Lots of birds that I haven't seen before. Yeah. Look, some handheld pigeon. Look at this beautiful handheld pigeon. It's raining. Yeah. Now he turned around, showing its backside. Okay, California quails. Yeah, I believe those are California quails. Oh, they're having a good time. Look at that. Quails are doing their quaily stuff. Taking a dust bath. So cool. Lots of wildlife here. Another one. Wow. So cool. So much wildlife here. And the elks haven't come out yet. Stellar jay. What's going on? Not much. Yeah, what's going on? And let's see what else we have here. Okay. That's the baby robin. American robin. But it's a baby waiting for adult to feed him. So that's my campsite. Getting everything ready and go. Today I have only maybe 35 miles to go, but I have a couple of really big climbs, so I'll see how it works out. Okay, I'm heading out. Look at these guys. Hi! See all those huge redwoods all around. So this is the Scenic Road through the Redwoods. And it's morning, no traffic yet. Look at all these huge, humongous trees. Huge trees all around. Wow, what a view. Look at that. Wow. How do you like that? Wow, what a view. Look at how big is the tree. Giant. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. And not much traffic, that's good. A few cars passing by. Everyone is still asleep. So this is the first big climb, I guess, so it's not bad. It just takes time. Hey! More giant redwoods. Look at this. Humongous. Look at that. It's so cool. Down, down, down we go. Da, 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 da. That's a 101. I'm down. Took me a moment to get down. I came down like 35 miles an hour. I had to even slow down, otherwise it would be even faster. Alright, that's a Climate River. Welcome to Del Norte County. That's another county. Ooh, I need to turn right actually. Okay, they have a nice place to sit down. And I'm gonna eat my sandwich. I'm enjoying my break here in town of Climate. And I have about halfway to go. So I did one big climb, another big climb is on our head. Tonight I'm gonna be camping another campground. Town of Climate is inside Redwood National Park. The good thing is that the sun is out, blue sky. It was all cloudy up on the mountains, but now it's all clear. It's nice here. Alright, I have a couple hours to go. I have only 10-15 miles to go. to my campground. It's not far. But I'm expecting to have some big climb. We'll see. Interesting sign. So if the tsunami comes in, then this one's gonna be underwater. Trees of Mystery, Climate, California. Pacific coast. It's beautiful. Awesome view. What a view. Look at that. It's beautiful. Civic Ocean. Gonna stop here for a moment, check out the place. Now it's gonna be a long climb. I don't mind climbs. It just takes time. My legs are not getting tired. It's not too bad. It just takes time. It's slow and steady. I have to climb about maybe 2,000 feet. Yeah, what a view. Look at that. It's beautiful. Civic Ocean. I think I'm gonna be up soon. Been climbing a couple of miles already. Yeah, nice. Giant trees. I think I've reached the highest point. Now it should start going down. I'm only like 9 miles from Crescent City. And campground, it's coming up right now. Within a mile or so. And then tomorrow morning I'm heading down to Crescent City and boarding the bus. So the campground is coming up soon. I'm going down right now. I've been climbing for a while again. Still climbing. That's okay, it just takes time. I don't mind climbing. It's of course slow but steady. Mill Creek Campground, 1/4 of a mile. Okay, Mill Creek Campground's coming up, that's where I'm heading. Alright, Mill Creek Campground. 2.2 miles ahead, are you kidding me? That far? Man, I thought it's right next to it. Alright, 2.5 miles. Yeah, tomorrow morning I have some climbing first. It's not too bad. Mills Creek Campground. Nice. So I'm riding around the campground, Mills Creek Campground, and yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, look at all those big redwoods. I'm just riding around and checking out this place. Wow, this is so cool. Old ones that fallen, and young ones are growing all around. Let me show you how cool these campsites actually here at the Mills Creek Campground. Look, it's surrounded by redwoods. Old growth stumps are all around, and the young growth is all around the old stump. Look, there is another one. This one is here, and over there, and over there, and over there. These are huge trees, but these are actually young ones because the old tree has died. Old tree was in the middle. Let me show you this one. This is so cool. This is the old growth, and the old growth was in the middle. And this one has died, and how cool is that? I'm middle of the Redwoods. That was a huge tree in the old days. Yeah. These trees are actually secondary because the old growth has died out. And that makes a nice campsite here. And that's the stump that's fallen here. Wow. So this is my campsite. In here I have my own personal bear cave. I'm pretty sure that the big bear is hiding there. Hopefully not. Yeah, what about if the bear is there? Then it comes out middle of the night. Wow. Comes out and gets snacks from my campsite. I'm gonna go and ride around a little bit. Look, that's how it grows. The old one has died, and then the young ones are all around. And look at this old growth. Stumps. Humongous trees right here. Yeah. Wow, so cool. This one haven't fallen yet. Look how big it is. Humongous. Look, these are good actually. Good morning, I'm ready to go. I'm here at Mills Creek Campground. It's all downhill, all the way to Crescent City. Alright, I'm down! Crescent City. So that's the Crescent City. Nice. It's like a harbor city. Still have some time, so I'm gonna spend time here checking out the birds. You can see lots of birds here actually. Looks like a tide is out. Hello, hi.